I say pranks and the wide more yeah my pranks the wide hey it's obvious that I be share you know the eyes go because hey yeah na me be oh na say pranks and wide if Stefano Bacho was a man because it's not easy to come up with such content na me ma wakwa ama wache abaye Badwam Ahosepe dwumadi eso Bedin the Sandra or him with me from my sister son to be a guy. I'm the guy's queen, world guy's Ghana's entertainment prophet. Back up and some near Chagwu near Safata Bebro. But Nancy don't even say all eyes. Ghana ning in Akodi Tamale. Aye, the echo. And me ania one so finding in a bema ehu. Banson and maybe because one crying so. I'm saying my award. Hey. I'm just saying when can I call you buy one scanning. Omo chema yanga the tallest building. I keep me. Yanga the tallest building. To weighing in no the tourism mentiasi ebe than the tourist attraction ba be cheska. Ana mama tallest mama iska. Pachoska mo me hu dia akodi ni ho. Afia kuntabu ya sha asie January. Enti me ba se obenya contract sika bi sika sembi ni wa da bi de ya ni abre this year de bi ya make ya ni abre sika bedi wo for tolerance me ehu magana fo ni enchem what's na say 11 o meja yi enti no na say keep me no akwaboa abeku santana omo ngina kopie ho akwaboa as usual the silky voice brakwabna e de chair yen hwe ne e course so ya ba ya to so okay Thomas me da CP to so a plan ni si ho no enti by now the one idea senior dino ebeko na amampoma de medi wachi amampoma eti plan no wani twiade a yesiwie igna ebeko ho sika bi bebe mu a still na ye no beche won change die eye tie no beche straight to Tamale yenu aba faila ogusu enu the girls got energy say nickname amediama ye energy queen wo na akra energy because wo die was anya fa akotena wo yi aduane nyina so ye correct ye ko de hwade hwenua wa hu bi da omo bo ni dinam si anya file anka me hu ade bi de be bia mpadum no a omo grab rochimemu ne die obehu ade ko we de ya jollof kosua tachi kama wo de hwa jollof na hwa de abaye ye there's a difference between slay queen and a chef shana ye na girl no wo we mu nyina no kre ye mu bebre hu bi da ye betwa ntronwa ye no mu ha ye mu bebre ehu bi da aye file and a raise flag no into on say chef no aduane a ahonka wom na slay queen so yan say no senten anu ye slay queen chef ye ka chef a e file Ghana ni na wono a enuane a wano a so far e bi na e chagwo no enti obi nkan sure say abaya na ye chef jobless udu tamala kwa jobless okodi di man what free advert because abaya no e te Ghana ni o ye so be wie ene ba ohima ye ne be 1 year ye ne 1 year obi obeye so be break beyond me match energy no yeta wachi de mu the way me say pancake na dey wo agusu and ye di grapes bi atwa na pampem we pa de gise me bisa mpadu omudu airport omo tadi bi gise me bisa we pa de me nimba file a wo blow ya my the boss one am it hey we the be fritata ibi and because you are aba be cheese no one na ne ho mame Stefano Pacho Jansen bonim Emma file straight to Tamale. Hono mate say no wagina home. Me team no epem wa Tamala. Ya be hwe ni so ya bia bia ni ho akoma sisi aye hwesnia e ko the happenings. Our Tamale say o ma de wagina home a. Me team ne so so mo ji o ma home bo mo gina mu obo adwuma. Eti okona home o za kitchen ho so ye neat. Current situation anywhere live updates from Tamale. Currently no chance ni kuka nesi ho. Nipadua nkasa de okọ break. Won say ya Guinness no ye mo break enti no mesho kwaso ahwa Adom TV won say abena pokua ne temakunkum o metena se o ma wo update aside no kwa ya channel no so ye bobobo a uhu ana kwa social media Adom TV on Instagram Adom TV X or Facebook ubehu ni na enti no abaya no current situation de enie won say okọ break o gina home na enra me hu say branche bi akotro say Guinness ye haram e no mo hwehwe ani mu de wunia ya ade a ye peja flag kofa haram abraye ho maame wo so ko anim yatawachi pa na de menwie fa ye twembe bosome fa ye twa obetimi aye Ghana tawachi ntino bomade atena Adom TV ho update a e wo so na etwago live ye mo repeat de ekoso na ne etwa e de choye file akukaton e na ekoso e wo tamale enkofo pia kopie mi awdabo ko ho kwabona na enu a woni okopie ye current tourism ambassador Singleton Nation aye fuwa santoa okopie mu na resa ma me bi pese wode hye ne kon so okodidi ti ada ma me wo yesa ti abaya wotimi didi won kran ho wodu wo so okodidi na abaya na ye fa se da bi obe support ba ni nyina mu yesa bi oni owura ni kunu wo mu didi kama ti se aduane na bosso file eno a eti ahwe tourism ambassador welcome no aye massive Ghana mo ya ade ye do ye ho okromwe ye do ye ho na mpanifo ni bi no na ma ye ra ho okromwe ete sanka Ghana die mu ede eti tourism ambassador any flag dey say die wo him no wo him ai ni ranso ne jane chen fe support system enya wo fe mebwa enya wo fe mebwa eti enko hwe ne ekọ so Tamale is the place to be me akwa me point si a me kwa Tamale mo hwe mani me ba ho ye hwe mbra sisi a Tamale ka wula sane de machine dada ntie na me be toa mo ho a mum sham gongolongongo gangran ya ni abre Ghana ya ni abre papa hey ya ni peja flag say o him anga me show thanks for raising the flag of Ghana Kukaton by Faila Koso Tamale we need the sister son do ni baby black Christian so you ba kwatum sorry ba you feature Joe Metal Yan shadi mba menga ho kesi ofia. Yan show video number sisia.
I really don't know.
Oh wow.
What can see the fembabo nyuno. What see the fembono.
Black Christ. Hey, what na akwekata no. Mukom kasa na ntiase ne sen.
Ntiase ne se nase nyina ye de man.
But how long now what you mean?
Matonyumi for this particular nyumi releasing 2 years ago.
But why as an artist, how many years, you know, what's
close to 2 decades.
Hey, 20 years?
Yes.
20 years?
Yes.
Wow. What on to my rade at your machine for 20 good years?
Yes.
Then you are handsome because it's 20 if you're out to say when your children. Wow. It's even now busy.
The base in Accra, Trinity Baptist Church.
Oh, Charles of Mammy Asani at was. Oh, that's beautiful.
Reverend Kingsley APJ, I want to say hi from the studios of Adom TV. Thank you so much for all your support. All our Trinity Baptist Church family, God bless you all.
So why Joe Metal? Then I didn't know Joe Metal now. Was he available now? One out choose Joe Metal.
Me and I'm choosing Joe.
Any reason?
We've been friends for a long time.
Oh wow.
And when I got the song, he's the first person I thought about because I needed somebody to sing in Ghana. Oh. And na me po bi a otekasa no otekasa na se. And nipa ne style and so ne nyom ne fa. And me hwe me na fufu nyina ne ono na.
You didn't go wrong.
Yeah.
One cry. It fits perfectly.
Yeah.
It's any future for Chris Appau after this 2 years ago what released Baby for 4.
Yes. Sunday me dropping my album.
Komoni ni kwasi ada we
yes.
Okay.
We are dropping my album is going live on all digital stores, YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, Boomplay, everywhere.
Okay.
This song is on the album.
Oh, that's nice.
There are 7 other songs, one with Kofi Owusu-Pepra, one with Luigi McLean, one with Pastor Isaiah Fosu-Pachi. One with Cynthia Macaulay.
Now West Speedy. Album near hits. Now
exactly.
Album they say.
Album ne the Abba.
Abba Father.
Yes. Abba Father.
And Abba Fantidin Abba.
Oh, Debbie.
Abba Father.
Abba Father. ABBA Abba.
Okay.
Yes, Chris Appau and HPI.
HPI.
Yes.
HPI no.
HPI is His Praise Incorporated. Me back as
Hey. Nah, but West Speedy now ba. And that's beautiful. Time may so okay, into no releasing from Anopa
in all digital stores.
Oh, okay.
Into any event. It's not a launching.
Release.
Into Sunday and Opao, sorry, and Sanoa sorry. You just look for Chris Appau on iTunes, Spotify, everywhere. You get the album.
It's more like release, not necessarily launch.
No.
Oh, okay. And you may have my acapella. You may de. Me boss Kofi Ampedu. Or Chiho. Or tap pegos. Now, no. I get dank. Wakanda. Go to your say, idea good. That means I can't pedwa.
Yeah. One son on you, man, you are. Osoro hini obiara sao yeri aside nyina mao nyame aye nyina mao miachakpe katana o mao akpe miada now,
hey, hono ewe ni ye kama.
Aye.
Ewe ni ye kama.
Aye.
It's a one away ewe.
Aye.
Oh, 100%.
Mema me kasa.
Oh,
but me pay ewe no pa.
It's very nice. But to my men say no. Maybe I to say to social media handles no pa share there.
On all social media handles, my handle is @ChrisAppau official.
Into boom Chris Appau official. Okay.
Chris Appau official. Appau ni APPAU.
Okay.
Yes. Chris Appau official.
Yeah, that's it. I hope say 20 years Ghanaians are support you so far.
Yes.
Then another wakoma so abepesa Ghana for Bayama obiem.
Say yeah, woma kuma so Ghana for Bayama me say they will stream the music. Go and like the music. There are 10 songs on the album.
Okay.
I know you will be blessed when you listen to the album. So listen to the album, stream it, support the music, tell somebody about the music. Okay. Sunday morning, first thing, Chris Appau and HPI, ABBA. God bless you.
Pacho, Yameso in Shao ye Pamela son of Obe Gracie, Mr. J.
Madam
Yamin Shao. You are family. You're always welcome.
God bless you.
But I say to Pacho, me and Saint you know, real quick. Now I mean metal. You can never ever go wrong with Joe Metal. And a baby will be a chow. Now make I was saying I made a watch now 90s jam. And then you read 90s jam ever cost so Joy FM and Ateche, powered by your favorite station, Joy FM. And then you may 90s jam. But you once I walk for 90s, maybe get your groove on. My katano she 90s. I hope famano fashion Gallery Center, right? That's Gallery Center. Yeah, Accra Mall no echi honom pay. Bra NG and then you may 90s jam. Now make I say P work. I'm going to do number 3P garlic mixture. I do papa esa ya rebebre. Ya rebe won ni pedua ni fitu ti kwa kan na ase 3P garlic mixture P work for say omo honom ema momodi ama nsan ka adro bi na ma nsan so ka jango energy drink sportsman makasa file akukaton jango we twa bi kama because emma energy no de oye bia no wo energy strong ko tse file de na momodi anom jango energy drink kan sportsman no ukomrika ya athlete bibi bia ye bia no hia jango energy drink 5 days into new year momodi ama violence no Ashasia, you see, I feel 5 days violence. They say violence here, say election year. Yet to Chroma, you never heard any air. My Miss Goldie's boutique, I say, or Santa Maria Blue Kiosk, Miss Goldie's, but you jam a camera, Miss Ordiniamano, Abba baby, I could be all locations, Miss Goldie's boutique, Santa Maria, or Honum at the Mile Hair Logistics GH, or Instagram, TikTok, or Mammy. Medibesi, I'm the guy's queen, wish Yamu Chroma. Bomadia emami boza najina ho na amo mujo ma wo den on the 5th of January no yan wo hye omo nti ba jonim Stefano ja birthday nyum no atum na yan starting with kwa ba ko aka wonfie ho eti ama mu nyina awoda passion ko de da makoma so embrɛ mu mamo empire waba wo chim wo kokwa mu no nyame nye emane mbrɛ ni so emfa mamo awoda pa ye hya mwene ya mamunyina happy birthday. Keep it coming. I would number no hobby me. I send you pictures. Me I will show our house. Adom TV. Jane your words. You well be Kofi Ampedu da chehene. Amampo my big girls. Madam Catherine Thomas Festus Master Israel Saponi Stefano. Omunyina abomechido MCL. Nyame nsha mo baby amobia. And afi Esther Ann will make up department. Me di besi Badwam dear kweni to aso.